Hi, I'm Craig Jones of Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat, and today we're going to be showing you our kits for crafts. We have 3 different size kits. This is our medium kit, and it comes here like this. Inside, you open it up, you'll have your Part A resin, clear resin, Part B activator, rubber gloves, a beaker for mixing, and a mixing stick. You also have a 1-inch application brush. Everything can be mixed in this outer bucket, very easy to use. We recommend mixing. You can pour all the contents of Part B into the mixing bucket, followed by all of the contents of Part A, or proportional, depending on how large your job and project is. Mix it for 3 minutes and apply it. If you have any kind of problems, the thing we recommend is just using a little torch lighter and wave it over if you have any kind of bubbles, because this can go down quite thick, and it's really meant for a 1-coat application, and that's the easiest way to get the smoothest, nicest finish. Craft Coat by Performance DIY. I'm Craig Jones. Thank you for your time.